When Columbus brought corn back to Italy and Spain and other parts of Europe, a lot of peasant communities started eating a lot of corn. But corn isn't very digestible. It doesn't really break down, and we're not getting the nutrients out of corn. If you eat sweet corn, maybe you're getting a little bit of sugar out of it, but for the most part, all the nutrients are still locked away. We don't really notice because we're not eating enough corn that is our main source of nutrients. But if you are a peasant and you switched your diet from wheat and barley to really corn-based, you kind of want the nutrients that are coming out of the corn. So what's interesting is Native people developed a cooking technique called nixtamalization, which is a fancy word for treating corn or cooking corn in a highly alkaline solution. So if you do that, what happens is you're softening the corn up as well, and you're making it into hominy, essentially. So when you eat hominy, it's very digestible to your body. Well, in Europe in the 1500s, they're like, we don't need to do this weird Indian thing. So they were eating a lot of either polenta, which is like a cooked cornmeal, or it was just being baked into a type of cornbread, which was unfortunate for the Kazus that were eating a ton of corn because they weren't getting the niacin in the corn. And then they started developing pellagra, which is a niacin deficiency. And when you get pellagra, you get different symptoms. One of those symptoms is a severe reaction to UV rays, to the sunlight. If you have pellagra, you step out into the sun, your skin looks like it is immediately burning. So it's from this period of time that we get the origin of the vampire myth, because people took the indigenous food but without the knowledge of how to cook with it.